Assalamualaikum. This is the update here in Masjid Sakina Phase 2 project. We are just waiting for the GI pipes to be delivered, inshallah, this Thursday, because right now still in Cebu City, and we're using jackhammer as usual because there are some stones. So inshallah tomorrow gonna finish the digging of this, finish the layout.